Here is my UFC 327 prediction. Yuri Prochazka vs. Carlos Ulberg. Let's get straight into this. First is Kevin Holland versus Randy Brown. This is going to be a great fight. It makes sense because both fighters are on a losing streak right now, and both fighters desperately need a win. Overall, I think Holland wins because he's more experienced. Also, Holland is more experienced on the feet and on the ground. Overall, this is an easy win for Holland, in my opinion. But still, the only reason Kevin is fighting is for the money. He doesn't care about legacy. He has so many losses and he just takes so many fights. He's that reliable guy, but I don't see that hunger in him anymore. Oh boy, next up we have Gamrot versus Estabe. This is going to be an excellent fight, but I think it's gonna be easy to predict. Easy Gamrot win. Gamrot destroys him on the feet and then destroys him on the ground. I love Poland! Also, do not forget the time he beat Arman Tsarukyan. Shut up, this never happened. Walker versus Dominic Reyes is going to be the next fight. This is a really funny fight, in my opinion. Glashchin versus Glashchin, but I think Walker is just a better striker, and I think Walker has such good kicks. I think Walker wins. Also, Walker is coming off a massive win, and Dominic is coming off a massive loss, so it's gonna be a good fight, but Walker beats him. Pitbull versus Pico is next, but I don't think it's going to be that interesting of a fight. Pitbull TKO, let's just ignore that and go on. Pitbull beats him TKO in the first or the second round. It's over. The co-main event, Van versus Tatsuro Taira. Tatsuro Taira beats him on the ground. I'm fine, thank you. Tatsuro is such a great grappler. He has such good grappling, such good chokes, really good arm bars, really good ground and pound. He's just so good. He's really versatile on the ground. Mwah. Plus, Van is a fraud. He only won because Pantoja was injured. If not for Pantoja breaking his arm, we would have Pantoja versus Taira, which would be such a good fight. But now we have Van versus Tatsuro. Just look at these pictures. Look at his chokes, look at his ground and pound, and look at his takedown. What is this, bro? I have never seen anything like this. For the main event, Yuri versus Ulberg. The real life samurai gets it done. He wins and he gets his belt back. This is what I'm talking about. Yuri is the best in his division. He kills everyone. Ankalaev dead, Walker dead, Reyes dead, everyone is dead. Except him, of course. This was my prediction. This is all for today. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and goodbye.